Hey guys, welcome back to a Moondog trading video. This video is more of I just can't believe what happened video. Um, I mean, this was our last line of defense. I did tell you guys use a stop loss. I did get stopped out. Very, very, very depressing. We didn't go. Once we broke here, you always want to do half your position, and then you want to add more once this breaks above the previous high, right? But what happened here, guys? Elon Musk. Elon Musk at this point, right when we were about to break out, and I told you guys about my divergency right here, and this is really where I should have put my stop loss. But I wanted to give a leeway because sometimes we will come down here, retouch this, and then go like we talked about in previous videos, or we could wick down. And then go up, right? And as you can see, the first two candles we came and we wicked down, and actually it was the hourly chart, but we didn't get my stop loss, and then my stop loss kicked in on the next candle. So it was kind of depressing. I mean, I didn't go all crazy here. We only used a half of a position because we were going to add more as the move went. But this was unexpected, guys. This was off of a tweet. To me, I mean, Elon Musk tweeted right here. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if this is popping up on my screen or I have to use TradingView to share screen, but you guys can see this. We're going to find out in the video. But this is what Elon Musk tweeted. And look at this. He's even got it going down. I mean, guys, this is horrible. This is just not right. I mean, he's even put on his tweet Bitcoin going down. Then he's got the breakup video, okay, and then he's got the I'm sure everybody's seen this. I don't even know why I'm going. Everybody's seen this. This is what happened at this point right here. Then the whole crypto market tanked, guys. It tanked. Bitcoin went down 10%, but what really killed us was all the other things that we were in, right? Matic, Cardano, Solana, everything tanked. And it just irritates me, guys, the fact that we are getting manipulated by one Twitter account. To me, this is showing very, very, very weakness in cryptos in general. This is actually the most scariest. Yeah, he's been doing it, but we all know that he's done it and it's tanked, and he's done it multiple times. But the fact that it keeps happening and the market keeps going for it, and the fear index is at all-time highs. We're in a really, really shaky market. I mean, to me, I think short term, we're going to see a dump. My opinion. I mean, I'm not buying. I'm done. I'm not buying anything until we can get some more clarification here, because to me, this was absolutely disastrous, because we had everything. We waited for the bounce. We had good momentum here. We had a trend here. We had a trend here. I mean, even if I took my old trend and I moved this thing up right here and we just did something like this, I mean, we had everything we wanted here, guys. And all we had to do was get above this candle and we were gone. And what did he do? At this moment, he tweeted, and it tanked. The timing of this move, okay? The timing of this move is pure evil, in my opinion. Obviously, he has guys that are sitting around charting Bitcoin, or he got a phone call. Said, hey, now's the time. It's almost like that video we watch. Have you guys seen it, Wojak? Where it's like, hey, he bought, dump it. And that's literally exactly what happened. Okay, it was a he bought, dump it type of move here. It's very depressing. It's very sad that he did this. I was reading some of the comments. Yeah, it's like I lost a little bit of money, and I'm always honest with you. Look, I tell you guys when we win these trades, we won multiple trades here in our videos. We had 20% gainers, and I'm going to tell you guys when I lose a trade, okay? Like I said, we're going for 80, 75, 80% win rate, okay? This right here, though, should have been another winning trade. I mean, we had, look at this. This is a huge pattern. All the touch points, this was strong. When we broke out here, we should have came down and went. Instead, or we could have just kept our trend here and just broke above this area right here and been gone. At least up to these levels, we all would have made more money. Instead, Elon Musk decides to tweet and literally just ruin all of our TA. You know, and I always say, and I know some people say, oh, the news doesn't matter. Yeah, okay. Well, it does, guys. Because at this exact moment, okay, is where he tweeted. This exact moment we tanked. Okay? And yeah, you could say there's a trend here. But look, here's the problem. He tweeted here. He didn't tweet here. He tweeted right here. And I hate to say this, but when you're in something that you're in a market where a guy could tweet and everything could crash, this is dangerous, guys. I've been a crypto supporter since I've learned about crypto. It's been many years. I've loved crypto. Bitcoin's my baby. Okay, I love all the other cryptos too as well because they all have their own little things. But this one hurt because it just makes me feel like we're in a market right now that is not a good market. And if you're going to trade this market, you better be trading the 15-minute charts now. We have to be in and out of these moves. There's no more, hey, let's look at the hourly, let's look at the daily, because those days are over. I mean, you could see even I mean, we talked about this from here to here, and we just kept bringing it over. And look, that proved to be on point, guys. Next time I see divergence like that, we're going to take this more serious. Even though like it could have wicked down and came back up, which I was thinking it would. And then I was like, okay, you know, sometimes it'll wick down and then bounce. Okay, and I had this line right here, and I didn't want it going down under 37,300. Once it did, it was just disastrous. I knew it was going to be disastrous from that point on. Which, hey, we did put our stop loss on, and we're still under where we are, and all the other cryptos are down since then. So it is what it is. We saved ourselves some money, but at the same time, this did not turn out. This is just, I am so frustrated, guys. I make these videos for you guys, and we came down and we touched the trend, and yeah, we're still in this, and technically, yeah, we could still break up. But at this point, do you trust it? Obviously, they don't want us to go up right now. Obviously, you know, we got a Twitter account waiting for this move, and we got huge money waiting for this move when the Twitter goes off. So the tweet happens, then they short it. Okay? I wouldn't be surprised if they sucker some more people in here and we go up and we touch the top of the trend. I mean, right now it's not even looking good. But let's just say we come up and we touch the top of the trend, everybody gets bullish, or we even come out and then get rejected again because it looks like the games are being played. And now, I don't know about you guys, but when I'm investing money and I'm putting money into these things, and we're looking at just TA, okay, the TA was on point, guys. This was on point. We had everything we could ask for. And then we had a Twitter account. That to me is really dangerous because I've been doing, of course, you know, in stocks, they have false, you know, they put out false news and stuff to try to short things. And this is what happens, right? But Bitcoin is supposed to be the opposite of this, guys. It's supposed to be like, hey, and it hasn't done it at all. I'm very disappointed when March happened and crypto tanked last year, okay? Because Bitcoin was never supposed to be, it was never supposed to follow the stock market, right? It was supposed to be its own. Well, guess what? It follows the stock market. Well, guess what? It wasn't supposed to be manipulated because that's not the way crypto is. That's not how it's supposed to. Well, guess what? It's manipulated. So these are things that everything that we buy crypto for, they're trying to break us mentally. And yeah, we all know it's going to go higher. But at the same time, is it a guarantee? I don't know. I don't know. We don't know, because at this point, I'm seeing a guy tweet and control the market with a Twitter account, and billions of dollars is getting flooded around off of one Twitter account. To me, that's way too much power, guys. That's scary, because at any moment, that Twitter account can crash, take us all down. That Twitter account can literally, he's got all of us by the palm of our hands. I do not like that. I do not want to be anybody's puppet. And right now, Elon Musk, when you're buying crypto, guess what? You're his little puppet. Whatever he says, you're gonna do. And it's very sad right now. It's very sad to see this, and very disappointing. And I hope something changes soon. And I hope he gets in trouble for this, because this is not right. You know, I was looking at comments from people, not my video, just other comments online. You know, and I was seeing people, you know, hey, I was trying to buy my mother a car. I was hoping for this money. You know, I need this money. This is all I got. And meanwhile, this guy's a billionaire, guys, and he's crushing people. He's crushing small people that need this money. And it's very sad, and it's very, very distasting and just disgusting. And there's a lot of things I want to say, but I'm gonna just stop right there. It's just, it's a very weak market, and it's showing the weakness. And I doubt we're gonna break out of this pattern now. Matter of fact, if we do, I think it's a 10% chance, guys. To be honest with you, the way that this is going, I think we got a 10% chance. And yeah, it could do it, but literally, guys, I'm not trading this. No, I'm done. This is no way. That right there was, and I'm not quitting. Don't get me wrong. I'm not quitting. I just think from for a long time, if you guys watched my first video, I talked about Bitcoin in the crash. And I think the whole stock market, I think the real estate market is going to crash. I think within the next 2 months, everything's going to go down. Okay, everything's going to crash. That's just my opinion. When you look at the charts and you look at some of the the stock market charts, the bigger charts. I mean, guys, you got to remember, with any chart, as fast as something goes up is as fast as it comes down. We had a V-shaped recovery. What do you think is going to happen, guys? Just look at Bitcoin. We went up so fast. Look, we went up so fast, and what happened? Boom, we went up, and now look, we're coming down just as fast as we went up. And yeah, we're in this area here. We're here. But I don't think this is going to hold up. If it does, I'll be shocked at this point. I mean, if people panic selling over a twit on a bullish move, guys, this should have been a breakout. And we should have breakouts across the board. And instead, we got a freaking tweet that took everybody down. Okay? Billions of dollars came in and started shorting. This was a planned attack to keep us down. Okay? And then you can see where the smart traders came in here. And they said, oh, let's just buy this. Right when it hits here, let's buy it. And then there was a little fight back there, right? But eventually, this is going to break down. Obviously, if they wanted this to go up higher, they would have just let the move happen, right? Instead, they put the defense on us here. They threw out a tweet, and then they shorted billions of dollars worth. So, call it what you want. I mean, this is just the way it is. We're getting held captured by a Twitter account. And it's very sad. It's very sad. And I don't know. It's very disappointing in this market. I don't even know what to say, guys, because we put in, you guys that watch my videos, or even you guys that even do technical analysis, you guys know, you put in all this work, and then you get these moves that should be breaking out and that are right at the brink, and at the same time, a tweet comes out right on the breakout. I mean, guys, it is what it is. This is where we're at in crypto, but it's scary. I never thought we'd be here in crypto, but this is where we're at. And I just wanted to give you guys an updated video. I'm just very disappointed. I know a lot of you guys are disappointed. Um, hey, if you shorted it, God bless you. I mean, I mean, I don't know how you could see that. I mean, unless you just caught the tweet instantly and just said, "Hey, I'm shorting," maybe, with the rest of the billionaires that did it. So, um, right now we have nothing here. It's stagnant. This is just fear across the board. No one wants to buy this right now. Look at this. No one wants to buy this. People aren't buying. I mean, everybody's just they're trying to gather themselves. Like, what just happened? I can't believe this just happened. That's where we're at in life, guys. And unfortunately, um, unfortunately, this is where we're at. You know, guys, God bless you. I wish things could have been a little bit different. Didn't see this move coming. I mean, if you guys were blessed enough to do this trend like I should have did and put your stop right here, you wouldn't have been you would have been fine. But I actually didn't think this was going to. I mean, who knew? Who knew that a twit was going to come out? So people could say, well, it's TA. No, not at that moment right there. It's time too perfect for that. Okay? Too perfect for that move. I mean, look, it's just the W pattern. There's so many positives with this right here. And all we had to do is break this next line right here. Instead, we get a tweet right there. All right, I'm done talking about it. We're going to let it go. We're going to be positive and we're going to move back on. But now we got to wait for our next move. Me personally, this is bearish, so we're just going to wait. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say in this video is just my opinion. This is just for educational purposes only. Love you guys. God bless you. Please like and subscribe. Go to my Twitter account. It's Moondog Trading 1. And that has my YouTube channel linked to it as well. So, and my YouTube channel is Moondog Trading. So, thank you guys. Have a blessed day, and we'll keep you guys updated.